Welcome, everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into the exciting world of augmented reality development. We will guide you through the process of setting up your AR development environment from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this step-by-step guide will ensure you have all the tools you need to get started with AR. Before we jump into setting things up, let's discuss what augmented reality is. Augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing your perception of reality. You may have seen it in apps or games like Pokemon Go, or even in shopping experiences where you can visualize furniture in your home. The tools we will be using today include Unity, which is a powerful game engine, and Vuforia, a leading AR platform. So let's get started by downloading and installing Unity. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Unity official website. Look for the Get Started section and click on it. You will see options for different plans. For now, we can start with the Unity Personal version since it's free and provides all the necessary features for our AR projects. Click the Get Started button under Unity Personal. Now, create a Unity account if you don't have one already. Simply follow the prompts on the screen to sign up. Once you have an account, you can download the Unity Hub. After downloading Unity Hub, go ahead and install it. Once installed, open Unity Hub and sign in with your Unity account. In Unity Hub, you'll want to install the latest version of Unity. Click on the Installs tab in the left sidebar, and then click on the Add button. Choose a version that supports AR development. Typically, you want to select a version from the 2020 or 2021 LTS series for better stability. When prompted, make sure to install the Android build support or iOS build support, depending on which platform you plan to developing for. This will ensure that we can build AR applications for mobile devices later on. With Unity installed, we now need to install the Vuforia engine. Vuforia is a fantastic tool for creating AR applications and integrates seamlessly with Unity. Let's go to the Vuforia Developer Portal. In your browser, navigate to the Vuforia Developer Portal by searching for Vuforia Login. If you don't have a Vuforia account, create one using the provided instructions. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Download section of the website and download the latest version of Vuforia Engine for Unity. After the download is complete, return to Unity, open Unity Hub, and create a new project by clicking on the New button. Select a template for 3D, give your project a name, and then click Create. With your new project open, we need to import the Vuforia package. Go to the Assets menu at the top, select Import Package, and then select Custom Package. Locate the Vuforia package that you downloaded earlier and open it. You'll see a list of assets to import. Leave all options checked and click the Import button. This will add Vuforia functionalities to your Unity project. Next, we need to configure Vuforia in Unity. In the Inspector panel, find the AR camera object that was imported along with Vuforia. Ensure that the AR camera is set as the main camera of the scene. To do this, you can delete the default Unity camera and replace it with AR camera. You'll also need to adjust the camera settings in the Inspector panel to suit your needs. Check the background, clear flags, and ensure Device Tracker is enabled. Now let's add a simple AR target. This could be an image or a 3D object that we want to recognize in the real world. In your Hierarchy panel, right-click and go to Vuforia Engine, Image Target. This will create an image target in your scene. Now we need to set up the image target. In the Inspector panel, you will see a field named Image Target Behavior. Within this section, you can select a database from Vuforia's Image Target database. If you don't have any image targets yet, you can create one through the Vuforia database. To create an image target database, navigate back to the Vuforia Developer Portal and go to the Target Manager. Create a new database and upload the images you want to use as targets. After uploading, you can download the database and import it back into Unity the same way you imported the Vuforia package. With your image target set up in Unity, let's now add a 3D object that will be displayed when the target is recognized. You can create a cube or import external 3D models. To create a cube, right-click in the Hierarchy panel, navigate to 3D Object, and select Cube. Position this cube as a child of the image target, so it appears when the target is detected. Now it's time to test your setup. First, build your application for either Android or iOS. If you're using Android, connect your device to your computer and click File, Build Settings. In the Build Settings window, make sure your platform is set to Android and click Build and Run. Ensure your Android device settings have USB debugging enabled. This can typically be found in the developer options of your device settings. Once the application is built, it will install on your device, and you can point your camera at the image target you uploaded to see the 3D object. If all goes well, you should see your cube appear on your screen when the target is detected. This is just the beginning. From here, you can explore more complex environments and interactions. In conclusion, we have successfully set up an AR development environment using Unity and Vuforia. You now have the framework to start creating engaging AR experiences. Don't forget to explore the Vuforia documentation and Unity tutorials for more ideas on what you can create. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave your questions or project ideas in the comments below. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.